Power tools that can replace having multiple tools. If you want to save money, space, and time on the job, owning tools that can perform multiple functions is a smart move. Some power tools, when paired with the right attachments, can replace several single-purpose tools. Here are the key power tools that can effectively turn into multi-tools. 1. Angle grinder, the ultimate multi-purpose tool. An angle grinder is one of the most versatile power tools you can own. With different discs, it can cut metal, grind welds, polish surfaces, remove rust, and even cut tiles or concrete. One machine can handle fabrication, maintenance, and finishing work, making it a must-have for workshops and job sites. 2. Drill machine, more than just drilling. A drill is not just for making holes. With the right accessories, it can act as a screwdriver, mixer, sander, or even a light polisher. Drill bits, wire brushes, sanding pads, and mixing paddles turn a simple drill into a multifunction workhorse for construction and repair jobs. 3. Rotary tool, precision in one compact machine. Rotary tools are designed for detailed and delicate tasks. They can cut, engrave, sand, polish, and sharpen depending on the attachment used. This makes them ideal for electrical work, light fabrication, detailing, and finishing tasks where larger tools lack control. 4. Impact driver, power and speed combined. An impact driver goes beyond basic fastening. It handles heavy screws, bolts, and fasteners with ease and, with adapters, can perform light drilling tasks. For assembly, framing, and mechanical work, it reduces effort while increasing efficiency. Choosing power tools that can perform multiple roles helps you work smarter, not harder. With the right attachments and proper handling, a few well-chosen tools can replace an entire toolbox and improve productivity on any job site. If you're seeing this video for the first time, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated and informed on our latest videos. You should also check out our other videos to boost your understanding and maximize your knowledge. For more information on power tools or other products, reach out to us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.